Day, so we are having some rehearsal at a place. So, what did you prepare for your Republic Day? Let's have a talk on this. So, do you celebrate this Republic Day in your apartment or at a place? Because right now schools are not open. So, tell me, how,
Okay,
how do you celebrate?
okay. So about Republic Day, tomorrow is Republic Day on 25th of January, 26th of January, and this time I will celebrate my Republic Day. There will be a assembly in my school, like online. We will all join together, all the classes, all the teachers, and we will do a assembly where every single child will perform something about Republic Day. Like there is a practice class also going on of our performance, and I have been practicing about that, and tomorrow I am gonna show my performance to my school. There will be an assembly like that. There will be not flag hosting in my school because that's online, and so that's why this is how I am gonna celebrate my Republic Day.
Okay, so any cultural activity, that means you are going to perform dance, songs, or a speech. What you are going to perform?
I'm gonna going for Republic Day speech.
So there is no,
Importance of Republic Day.
okay, so there is no kind of cultural activities like dance, songs that students or child or children they can perform.
I'm gonna do two performance like a speech
And
and then dance. Like we
oh,
all performing. That is from my school only.
okay, and all will be conducted online.
Yes.
No, that's great. It's nice. Well, so last time I had given you some topic to write down. So can you tell me what were the topics?
Okay. I have sent you the topics. Uh,
One topic is
Plastic, using plastic should be banned.
okay.
Selling tobacco should be banned. Smoking in
Banded.
public should
No, no, banded. Banned. B
ban
A N N E D. Banned. Okay.
banned. Selling tobacco should be banned, and smoking at public places should be banned. And one of the urbanization. So I don't know the meaning of that,
What?
so I was not able to, like, there was not coming idea. I was not able to understand. I searched on Google also, but I didn't get the, like, the topic. I didn't got any idea, so I didn't write about that.
What is the topic?
uh Pollution due to
Urbanization.
urbanization. I don't know the meaning about that.
Okay. Do you know what is urbanization? I think you don't know. Do you know like the
No.
people who are migrating from village to city, people who are living in small towns, sometimes they are migrating, and sometimes the people who are in metro city, okay, they are elaborating for their residences, the buildings. There are many things that they perform. So urbanization means people who are living in metro city, their lifestyles are changed. Okay, due to their changing lifestyles, they are making a lot of, they are littering sometimes, because suppose the people who are in village, they are having very less space to visit, but in metro city there are many tourist attractions.
So they are
Sometimes,
new about.
yeah, means urbanization means a town is going to become a big city when new infrastructures, new buildings are made, new and people who are coming to live from their different places. So mainly urbanization means people who are living in metro city or
Okay.
cities. having lot of population. So here the same topics are there. The pollution due to urbanization. Pollution, urbanization means when the people in the large scale, when they stay in metro city, of course there are many factories, and then many companies, several companies, factories, now they run. When the factory they open, they also needs a lot of things. They use fuel, they use petrol, they use water, and many factories, several factories, they are like throwing their garbage, okay, in running system, and it goes to the river, and that's why it is being polluted. Suppose a factory is the cause of pollution because of it leaves a lot of waste. Do you
Yes.
understand what I'm saying? The same thing if the people who are living in metro city, so they will throw their garbage in a big amount. Even a lot of shopping malls, they sell a lot of some food, some of the prepared item. They also provide polythene. They also provide the carry bags. And due to many people purchasing many items, and they all are preserved, came into the plastic bags. So when they throw it, it causes pollution, the soil pollution.
So due to so it can like I want to just
You understood, no? So far, what I means urbanization means people in town, if they are elaborating their residence, even the government also does a lot of things. They make infrastructure for them like bridges, railway stations, bus stops, a lot of things they made. When they when something is made, of course many people they become the part of that. Suppose a new building is going to be made, so there are thousands of laborers, employees, they work. When they work, of course, it will be the part of pollution. They will throw something after eating or after using something. Did you understand now? Did you understand now?
yes, I understand.
Look, one more thing that I have told you, Pihu, that you need to write down in 4 different paragraphs, and you have to
Of
use
which topic?
all topics, 4 paragraphs. I have taught you how to write paragraphs. So suppose,
Yes.
yeah, suppose there is a topic, smoking should be banned. Okay, so you have to start with a topic sentence.
First with
One
introduction.
introduction, a paragraph will be okay. Like nowadays, there are many people around the world having the habit of smoking. Okay, so you have to go with the full stop, or you can also extend. As a result, many passive smokers they're also affected. There are many factories. Even the government has also allowed to make cigarettes, tobaccos, and it is also available in the market. Although it came with a warning that tobacco is injurious to health, yet many people around the world they smoke. So this will be a small introduction. Then you can start with why people they smoke. The first, second paragraph. Third, what should be the reason and what should be the solution. And the last one, the conclusion. So you can say start with the next paragraph and one topic. What could be the 3 ideas or 2 ideas to why people smoke? People, there are many people who smoke and they smoke it at public places, such as, for example, at a bus stop, at railway stations, okay, in a shopping mall, in a
In a
restaurant.
restaurant.
Yes. So where if they, and it is smoking, sometimes it is said there it is the freedom of their part, but it should not be allowed, because they are free to smoke. But what about the people who are not smoking? They are known as a passive smoker, and when you smoke, the smoke comes from your lungs, it will also harm to the other people who don't smoke. This is the second paragraph that you can see. The third will be, the government should make a mandatory that there must not be smoking at public places. I respect the freedom of, okay, everybody, but it should be confined. They must smoke at their place, their home, where nobody will be affected. Government also should find something, make a charge, or make a punishment in certain area if somebody panic. So like this, you can start, you can throw your ideas. And last conclusion, according to me, smoking should be banned because it also causes cancer. It can spoil your lungs. Many people around the world, they are suffering from lungs cancer due to this smoking. So why not stop it? Rather than smoking, a person can make a healthy habit, eat something better. So like this, you can start writing in 4 different paragraphs. Do you understand? And you have written only one paragraph. Each paragraph has a different topic. Can you write down right now within 5 minutes or 10 minutes the same whatever I have explained? Each paragraph should
Okay,
be
I can
separated,
write.
because look,
About
this is
first,
first will be
smoking
only
in public.
introduction. Yeah, first will be introduction. The second will be why people smoke and what are the harms. In that paragraph, you should not give the solution. The third paragraph, you would give the solution and suggest to the government. And the last conclusion. Like this, if you can separate now, so I will be happy, because by the time you will understand the you can say the trick of writing. Do you understand? Shall I give you
Yes.
5 or 10 minutes? 4 different paragraphs. The topic is smoking should be banned. Okay, I'm waiting
Okay.
for you. Okay. Yes, your time. Hello, Mayurakshi. Your time is up. Have you done?
Can you give me more 5 minutes because I haven't written yet.
Okay, beta. Okay, take time, but I would like to see a very nice writing this time. Okay, I'm waiting 5 minutes more. Okay, do it.